It's January 21st, 2022, about 10 after 2 p.m. and that's Bullhead City, Arizona time. We're at Site 33 and that tree is over our minuini. There's 5 or 6 in the series of Asplundh preparation for trees. They started over on in the other park last week, and that's what's left of the trees that are interfering or entangling around the wires. This way, see if I can get a better angle. This is Site 34. New neighbors moved in just last week. And they're already treated to a tree trimming. That boom has a hydraulic chainsaw. That's where those 2 large hoses are. On the back of the truck with the boom is a shredder. The name of the company is Asplundh, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, A-S-P-L-U-N-D-H. Okay, we're gonna stop it at this. Oh, there's one big one right on the wire. I'm getting out of here in case the wire collapses. That's it.